2, 3, go. Alright, hey, welcome back to Monster Art. We haven't done this for a long time.
Yeah.
Between school getting out, start of summer, somebody broke their leg. Who broke their leg?
Who
broke your leg? Mikhail broke her leg. Today we're gonna draw a Rubik's Cube. Now, we know it's not a monster, but Caden here loves Rubik Cubes. He's been trying to solve one for years. He'll start it, he stops, he starts, he gives up. Well, the last, 3 or 4 weeks? 3 weeks?
Yeah.
Month? This last month he finally figured out how to solve it. No, we did not leave it like this. Caden has actually solved it. So, in honor of Caden, we're gonna draw a Rubik's Cube. So, grab a paper. Do you have paper, Mikhail?
Yep.
Do you have a marker, Mikhail?
Yep.
We're gonna do kind of like a 3D view of it.
Yeah.
The first place to start. Oh, I got some on my paper. Sorry, Caden missed the papers. First thing we're gonna do is we're gonna create almost like a table. A table. We're gonna draw almost like a table. So the best place to start is with a few dots. Hold on, don't draw yet. I already drew Mikhail's dots. We're gonna draw 4 dots. You're gonna kind of find one right in the middle, put a dot. You already got a dot. I helped you out. And you're gonna come down a little bit and add another dot. And then we'll add another dot over here. And then you're gonna kind of draw a line that comes across over here. Another dot like that. Okay, next thing we gotta do is you gotta connect the dots with the lines. So let's start here and try to draw a straight line connecting that dot. Can you connect the dots? Good job. And then connect this dot over here. If you need a ruler, you can get a ruler. We're just going for it. And then that one, and then this one. Connect all your dots. Connect that one with over here. Just draw a line. Good job. And then draw another one to there. Perfect. Good job. You good?
Yeah.
All right, you good?
I kind of messed up.
That's okay. Is it okay to mess up? It's okay to mess up. Because you just gotta keep practicing and drawing. Okay, next. So this is, if you're looking at almost like a table, we're not drawing a table, we're drawing a Rubik's Cube, but I'm using a table as an analogy. We need to draw some legs.
Tables don't have legs.
Tables have legs.
Legs like our legs.
Like, good job. Okay, now you want to take this, same thing, like, hold on. This and this all kind of want to be the same size. So maybe like that. All right, see what I'm doing here?
So like that?
Draw another leg.
Right there?
Yep, go straight down. Oop, good job. And another one. Good job. Perfect.
But is it okay if I try that?
Yeah, looks great. Right here. And if you need to turn your paper to try to look at it a little different. So this one looks a little longer, so I'm gonna come down here like this. And this one looks a little longer, so I'm gonna come down like that. Here, let's do this. Want me to help you?
Yeah.
Okay. Connect that. Now, take that and draw over to here. You can get way more accurate if you use a ruler and stuff. As you can see, like mine,
2 inches.
it kind of
1
like,
inch.
this is a little taller than this side, but that's okay, right?
Yeah.
Okay, good job, look, you got a cube. Now we need to draw, we gotta split this into 3 sections. So we're gonna start here, we're gonna draw 2 lines. 1, 2. Can you do that? Draw a line that's starting here and a line starting there and go straight down. And connect it to that. Perfect! Good job. I'm going to do the same thing on this side.
This side?
Yep. Yep. Good job. Good job, that's great. And guess what? We're gonna do it up top too. Draw it from this point and go over to this line.
Okay, this one? This one?
Yeah, start here, go all the way over to this line. And so take this look. So go like this. And then take that line and connect that dot right there.
This
Right?
one?
Yep. Perfect. Now we got to do this. Same thing over here. So now you got to take this and go like this and then connect that right there.
Present.
Looks like a present, like Christmas. We could put like a bow on it or something, right? Okay, we got to draw some more lines. So look, I'm going to draw this into thirds. Now we're creating kind of a grid. So let's do this. So draw one right, oh, hold on, right here to right here, and this one to right here, and then this one to, here, I'll help you. So now you connect that, that, and this, that. Got it?
Okay.
You want me to help you? Oops. Oh my gosh, I just drew on you. You want me to help you?
Yeah.
There. Boom. Okay, Kaden, let's finish this off over here. Look, now we have a cube. It's kind of, see if you had like these, if we go back to our table thing, you have these legs here on our tabletop, and then we took it and made a cube out of it. Ta-da! That's our Rubik's Cube. Now, before I color, I always like to sign my name. Can you write your name up here?
Yeah.
And then we'll color these.
But how?
Write your name. Just write it normal. Bob. Is your name Bob?
Yep.
Good. Bob.
For in this video.
Got a
Yeah.
Mikkel.
This video.
If you wanted to leave a face white, you could. But that's kind of boring. Or you could color all in one face, one color. Or you can do it when it's like mixed up, right? And have colors all over the place. And you can just kind of do whatever colors you want.
Yeah.
Right?
Hmm?
So, what? No, I don't know how to say it. Okay, so Mikkel, you love
Pink and
purple?
and blue.
Yeah.
Do you want to do the colors on this or your own colors?
My own
So
colors.
Okay.
pink, purple, blue. That's a good mix.
Yeah. So do one side. How'd they turn out, Mikkel?
Good.
They turned out good?
Yeah.
All right, so there's a Rubik's Cube for you. Thanks for jumping in. And if you get bored of coloring, try to figure that out. All right, what do you want to say?
Bye.
Are you saying bye to that or saying bye to that? Say bye to that one.
I did.
No, say bye to, say it again. Bye. See you later.